Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about the differences between page views, reach, and impressions by Facebook. In this Google document, you can get a copy of it if you go to the guyrcookreport.podbean.com. And in that document, it talks about page views and reach and impressions. First, I want to say reach is estimated, okay? Don't use that as a key performance indicator because reach is a guesstimate based on their algorithms and whatnot. You want to use page views and impressions as being a more accurate representation of how many times your content went into the social channel, in this instance, Facebook, and then based on that information, you can better determine where you want to put your buck, okay? Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.